Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Barry, one half the Huang Bros, and if you can help our channel grow, please subscribe. And hey, today I'm gonna change out the instrument bezel trim thing right here. Now, as you can see, the car is red. It's got red, and blue. I mean, this is the factory RCF blue for F for Fuji, but my trim is starting to be red, so kind of decided to get one of these. This came off of an IS350, or it came off of IS350, but IS and RC interior are pretty much the same. So I'm going to change this out and I'm going to show you how. So I drove all the way from the Bay Area, Northern California, all the way to Southern California, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change this thing. All you need is a Lexus screwdriver, just the flathead, well probably the screwdriver, but I'll show you how to do this. If I can do this in a random parking lot, then you can do this anywhere too. So first step, you're gonna have to release this. Now you ask, how the heck do you do that? Well, put your finger through here and full send. Bam. And this side too. Okay, just like that. Now that part is free, we're going to have to yank this and yank this. That way then eventually we'll yank here. I'm gonna put my hand here, right here, and yank. That should came out, and same for this side. Grab and got it. Weak fingers. Okay, now we're gonna use two hands and grab here. Two hands and grab this. So what I did, I used my fingernails and did this, but you can always slip something in. And release this. Alright, but for me, I just did two hands like this. And that came off. Now we have to carefully remove this. This right here, carefully remove it. Alright, now we have to work on getting the start button off. So to release this, it's this wire right here. We have to unplug it. Bam, just like that, we have removed the wire. So now we have to get the lower part right here. Gotta get that lower flap. So this part is gonna be kind of interesting. It's gonna be a tab right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this right here is a little tab right there. You're just gonna lift up on the sides, not lifting up from the middle, but from the sides there. And you can probably see it right there. This one right here. So I'm gonna show you how right now. Just lift up on this black tab like so. All right, so finger in, tab, and bam, that's it. Now it's freed. And same for the other side. So this side is gonna be here. So just finger in, lift up on the finger in, lift up on the tab, and bam, now it's released. Okay, now from the middle, you have 4 or 5 little tabs you gotta worry about. So go from underneath here and slowly just lift it off. Break the bracket right here. So okay, slowly remove it. Okay, now it's completely freed. Lift up and voila, the unit is off. So what I was saying was, this black tab, lift up from the finger right here, finger lifted up right there, finger lifted off right there, and then you got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. So now that we have the instrument panel bezel thing off, we're gonna take off the start button. Take off the start button with your Lexus screwdriver. If you did not know, you should probably know by now. Your Lexus screwdriver, the flathead, and the Phillips, it takes care of the entire car. The side skirts, even the bumpers. Take care of the bumper. Anything that the Phillips, like all the window trims, it takes care of everything. Okay, we got just 3 screws. So here we go. Just 2 and 3. So once we remove this, we're gonna transfer it to the other one, and then we're gonna reinstall. I'm gonna save these 3 screws, put them right there. Now to remove this, the bottom is wiggly, which is great, but this top part is not. So that means we have to, if you can see that lever right there, we have to push it down and pull up. And there's a spider. You see that? Wow. If you can't use your fingers like I did, you might need your screwdriver. Got the new one here. Okay. I like it because it's got the red strip. You know, even though it's an IS, believe it or not, this and that are exactly the same. They're exactly the same. This part back. Feed from the, oh, so we got the original here. So you would think the OEM Lexus stuff are, you know, interchangeable, but this one is a fixed bracket. This one is not a fixed bracket for the start button, because look. But so now I have to take this off to put it in there. To remove the start button system, you have to push on these 2 pins and push this through. Now we're gonna put it through this one. And it should be in. Now I'm gonna put this back in. First step, turn it around and feed it through. So we're gonna start with the bottom first, the flap, and then we'll work the rest in. An important step is to get the 5 plastic pins underneath first, and then work the rest. So to work this in, I'm gonna have to plug this back in first. Now I'm gonna put the bottom part in. Now I'm gonna say one of the hardest part right now is I don't have any space, so I'm gonna press this button, turn the car slightly on, lower this so I have more room. And you're gonna have to actually leave it on, because otherwise if you turn it off, it's gonna go back to its regular position. I want to close the door, otherwise it's annoying. I'm gonna feed all this in. Oh, all right, got that part in. Nice. Now I'm gonna tuck all the fabric underneath, and just going to be careful. If you have carbon fiber like I do, I'm gonna put it right there. So what I'm also going to do is I'm gonna reposition my mic, because I recently installed the screen, but the mic is too, so the speaker is behind here, and this is just way too close. So I'm gonna reposition this to over here. I left about 1 inch, and tuck it in here, let it free hang. This way the speaker here and the mic don't echo off each other. Nice that you can take the screen out here and there. Okay, now I'm gonna put this mic back here and then push the rest in. So an issue I'm coming upon right now is that the IS 350 probably fits the RC 350, but will not fit the RCF. If you notice all that gap, I don't know if you can see it. There's a lot of gap right here. And that's because by design, if you look at it, look at where the start button will be. Notice that there's a curve and all that. Notice that it is flat. So there's a difference. There's a curve there, or a little thing there, and then it's flat. So if you also look a little closer, this right here, it's got that misalignment. It will not fit. So, but that's the biggest issue. This part works, this part does not work. So I'm gonna have to put back the original. I'm gonna have to put back the original piece, which kind of sucks, but oh well. Now to set this back in place. So the car is running, it's working, start button works, and you know, unfortunately for me, I didn't get the red stripe that I wanted with the leather, but it's okay. I'll find a way to get something else later on to replace this blue. But at least I got my mic installed right here. But unfortunately, I also damaged my original trim here, which kind of sucks. But hope you can see that right there. You know, oh well, you know, I suffered so you guys can learn. Please give us a like, a thumbs up. Please comment your favorite part if you have any questions, and please subscribe and help us grow the channel. And hey, see you next video. Peace.